What's up? In this tutorial, I will gonna show you guys how to make a bird base. For this, you will gonna require a square sheet of paper, and on that paper, you will have to first make a square bomb base. If you wanna know how to make a square bomb base, I have a tutorial for this. So, once you have made the square bomb base, you can see there are 4 flaps in it. So just take any one flap and take that flap up to the middle line. Make sure that you do the tip part very carefully and softly. Here. Now repeat the same step on that single flap as well. Now once you have done, unfold the model and take the single layer here and push these 2 parts in on the creases that we just made. So just push it here, and now you will have to convert this crease into a valley fold. Here. Now repeat the same process on this flap. Now just flatten the model and make sure that both the creases are sweet and nice. Just take this flap and fold it up. Now we have done one of the part of the bird base. Now repeat the same process behind. So just take this flap and take this edge up to the middle line. Here. Now repeat the same process on the other flap. Now unfold both the flaps and take the single layer and push the flaps in. Now just flatten the model and make that all the creases are sweet and nice. Now take the single flap and fold it up. Now here, our bird base is ready. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.